तूफान है नहीं.
Python syntax. Python syntax refers to the set of rules that defines the combinations of symbols that are considered to be correctly structured programs in the Python language. These rules make sure that programs written in Python should be structured and formatted, ensuring that the Python interpreter can understand and execute them correctly. Here are some aspects of Python syntax. Along with this article, you can also go through our free Python course to understand the concept of Python syntax. Here's a summary of basic Python syntax. Indentation. Use 4 spaces to indent code blocks. Example: if, for, while. Variables. X equals 5 assigns an integer value. Y equals hello assigns a string value. Z equals 1, 2, 3 assigns a list value. Data types. Integers, int, example 1, 2, 3. Floats, float, example 3.14, -0.5. Strings, str, example hello, hello. Lists, list, example 1, 2, 3, a, b, c. Tuples, tuple, example 1, 2, 3, a, b, c. Dictionaries, dict, example name, John, H, 30. Operators. Arithmetic, plus, dash, asterisk, slash, %. Comparison, equals equals, 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 equals. Logical, and, or, not. Assignment, equals, plus equals, dash equals, asterisk equals, slash equals, % equals, equals. Control structures. Conditional statements, if, elif, else. Loops, for, while. Functions, def. Functions. Define a function, def function underscore name, parameters. Call a function, function underscore name, arguments. Modules. Import a module, import module underscore name. Use a module, module underscore name dot function underscore name. This is just a brief summary, but it covers the basic